Are you looking for a custom home in a gated community in North Scottsdale? Well, this is it. Hi, I'm Allison Cahill with Allison, Cahill & Partners Luxury Properties, and today I'd like to introduce you to my newest listing in Los Gatos. The homes in this community sit on 1 to 3.5 acre lots. From the neighborhood, you can access walking trails, a wash area for biking, running, or walking. The entry welcomes you with a custom bridge and flagstone. This beautiful property boasts a custom wet bar featuring an onyx countertop with Imagilux lighting, a wine fridge, and custom cabinetry. The kitchen features a Sub-Zero fridge, custom cabinetry, and volcano granite. The floors are spectacular with maple hardwood floors. I love all the details of this gorgeous custom home with its beams and turrets. Sitting on over 1 acre with views of the McDowell Mountain Range and Pinnacle Peak, you have ultimate privacy backing to the natural area open space. The backyard features a spectacular pool with a waterfall, a spa with a spillover, a gas fire pit with sunken seating, and an outdoor kitchen. For more information on this beautiful property, you can call me, Allison Cahill, at 215-262-7066. Thank you.